Hi, and welcome to another virtual Willard Library Crafternoon. Today we're going to be making easy macrame rainbow lucky charms. Let's start by going over materials. Keep in mind that you can pick up a no-cost craft kit at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library while supplies last. First, you'll need 3 pieces of 8mm macrame cord. This was purchased on Amazon. These are cut to size at 7 inches, 8 inches, and 9 inches. Next, you'll need 3 different colors of a thick yarn to make your rainbow. Here we're using Big Twist brand yarn, but any chunky yarn will do. Each color needs to measure about 60 inches in length. If you plan to hang your rainbow charm, you'll want to grab at least 2 feet of string or floss. You will also need a pair of scissors, a hot glue gun, and a hot glue stick. These 3 items are not included in the craft kit, however, they are easily found online or at practically any craft store. We're going to start by attaching a string to help hang the rainbow charm. Take the longest piece of macrame cord, the 9-inch piece, fold it in half and find the center, then do the same with your piece of string. Loop the string underneath the macrame cord, then pull the tail of the string through the loop. With the same piece of macrame cord, decide which color you would like to go on the outside of your rainbow. Take the end of your yarn and place it opposite the end of the cord like this. While holding in place, begin wrapping the yarn around the cord. You'll want to leave about 1 inch of the white cord sticking out. Continue wrapping the yarn around the macrame cord until you have about 1 inch of cord remaining. Once you get to this point, loop the end of your yarn around the cord and make a simple knot. You'll want to do this 2 times to keep it in place. Tighten up the knot and cut off the excess yarn. Now that the outer row of your rainbow is complete, you'll want to repeat this process 2 more times. Go ahead and press pause at this point while you wrap your remaining pieces of macrame cord in yarn. Plug in your hot glue gun, then line up your 3 macrame cords. They should look something like this. Bend all 3 cords into an arch shape. Then carefully try to line up the ends of the yarn. This may take a little adjusting. When you're ready, place a small amount of hot glue between the first and second rows of your rainbow, then carefully squeeze the rows together with your fingers as it dries. Repeat the same process with the second and third row. Give your rainbow a few minutes to dry and remove any excess hot glue. Once completely dry, you can clean up the rainbow's edges. Fold the rainbow in half and brush out the fringe with your fingers. Then use a pair of scissors to cut a straight line across the ends. the spirit of St. Patrick's Day, I'm going to use my hot glue gun once again to add a little bit of gold to the end of my rainbow. Use your mini rainbow charm as a St. Patrick's Day decoration, a mini wall hanging, or consider attaching it to your keychain for good luck. Thanks for watching!